what is up, guys? Today I'm going to be making another video for you guys. I'm going to be making some slime. So, stay tuned. Alright. To make a slime, you're going to need some simple things. You're going to need some laundry detergent, some gloves for mixing, some of this, some shaving cream, and I like to put my slime in eggs. So I have eggs. Alright. I want to make slime that looks like this. Doesn't come out the bowl when you make it. Alright, so let's get into it. You have a bowl, alright? Make it so you can see what I'm doing. Can you see what alright. So, what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna put on some gloves. Put on some gloves. Right? You know, gotta put on those gloves. If it would actually get on my hands, that'd be great. What I use is surgical gloves, because I have so many of them here. So I just use some surgical gloves. And I take my bowl, set it down. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to take my Tide. I'm going to dump some of it into here. Maybe that was a little bit too much. Maybe too little. Alright. So, this is the first step to making this. Alright. So, get that all on the bottom. Alright. So, now, I'm going to take a little bit of this. This keeps it from sticking. Put it in there. Then, I'm going to take some of my shaving cream. And put it in there. Then I'm going to take my hands and start mixing it up. Alright. Probably better to use the foamy stuff. Alright. Now, I'm gonna mix it. Mix it real good. Alright. Mixing it. Most of the ingredients in here you can find at your store. And most of the people that make this slime, they put glue in it, but I ain't got no glue. So, that is why I'm using lots and lots of this stuff. I use this kind to make it thick. Thicken it up. Then just keep on stirring. Yes, mix that bowl around. Yes. Keep on stirring. You want it to look like that. But if you want it to look a little bit more thick like this, all you have to do is add more shaving cream. And that is my video. If you like this video, like down there and hit the subscribe button if you're new here. Thanks. Bye.